Hello guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening from wherever you are. Welcome to my channel. My name is Miss Wanga. For those who don't know me, today we are in the forest in a very nice place. It's called Kabak. I'm still in Turkey, and my friend over there, she's writing something, brought me here. We decided to do some camping. Later on I'll show you the camping rooms. They're so beautiful. I love them so much. Waking up to a very refreshing place like this with the sounds of the birds is what I was looking forward to. So it's time for breakfast. Breakfast is ready. That's mine.
It's also lemon tree.
Yeah.
I also want to have a lemon tree. It's nice.
Vitamin C. So nice.
I think we lick it all.
Wow. This area is famous for camping, and our camping site is called, what is the name? Reflection camping site. There's so many camping sites around. So we came in yesterday when it was raining. It was pretty wet everywhere, and so we decided to spend one night here. Then tomorrow we're gonna no, today we are moving to another camping site just to experience everything, different spots. Yeah, I'm looking forward to see the other side also. Tell the viewers what's your name. Say hello. So guys, I'm headed to the rooms. I'll show you how our room looks like. We are sharing with my friend. It's a small tent with 2 beds. Oh, I'm so full. Okay, we are here. This is the door, and this is the room. This is my friend's bed, and this is my bed right here with my luggage. Yesterday when we came, it was so wet. I was kind of afraid, and my friend noticed. Then we were given like 4 blankets. I used 3 of them. My friend used her sleeping bag over there, and I slept like a baby. I didn't expect that. I woke up very, very happy listening to the birds singing from that side. Just wait, I'm gonna show you the washrooms here. I'm headed to the shower and the toilet. They are connected. This means women shower. So this is the door. This is the handle. Everything here is natural and pretty. So we are inside. The toilet is right at the corner. Where am I? It's here. I won't show you that. But this is how everything looks like. Then when you take a shower from here, here's the shower. You're showering facing the forest. That's really nice, I think. Yeah. We came here to like meditate and reflect on our lives. Maybe we come out of here with healthy mind. That's our goal. Nice. So it's time to change to something nicer as we go to the beach. Then later on we will also swim. Bye bye.